How to fix Telegram not connecting to the internet. Telegram stock offline. Let's get it online. First, check your internet settings. Airplane mode should be off. Restart your device's network by toggling Wi-Fi or mobile data off and on. Check if other apps can connect. If not, the issue might be your network provider. Clear Telegram's cache and data from the settings of the mobile. Try uninstalling and reinstalling the app if it still won't connect. Make sure background data usage is allowed for Telegram in your phone settings. Switch DNS servers in your Wi-Fi settings to fix network routing issues. Have you had Telegram refuse to go online? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.